Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Eureka Forbes Car Vac 100-watt vacuum cleaner. There's an illustration on the vacuum cleaner right on top, as you can see. This is portable and this particular vacuum cleaner comes with portable and powerful performance, 100-watt powerful suction as I mentioned earlier. It also has HEPA filter, range of accessories and LED torch as well. That's more or less all the information here. I will open this box and show you what's inside. There you go. We have a user manual from Eureka Forbes. This is for the Car Vac vacuum cleaner. Everything that you want to know is listed right over here, so do give this a read. This also comes with customer care information, warranty card, warranty terms, safety information, everything that you want to know about this device can be found in this document. Now let's take a look at the vacuum cleaner. So here you go. This is what you'll find inside the box. Let's take a look at the attachments first. We have a flexible nozzle, a extender for said nozzle. There you go. You can see this. You can connect it directly as well. And you also have a multi-purpose brush for cleaning, for detailed and precision cleaning. So this is the vacuum cleaner. This is the Car Vac vacuum cleaner from Eureka Forbes. This is primarily for cars, as you can see from the cable itself. There's a pretty long, 2-meter long cable almost, and this is the part that goes in, that connects to the car radiator rather. And let's take a look at the vacuum cleaner. This particular vacuum cleaner has a torch functionality over here. This is the power button. It comes with this red handle as well, red ergonomic handle. This is the torch right over here. I can't show. So this particular vacuum cleaner is designed to be used in cars. You can tell that by looking at the power cable over here. It's a pretty long power cable, by the way. It's a flat TP power cable. On the other end, you have this particular jack. This is what connects to the car. And let's take a look at the vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner had this matte black finish to it. It's made out of PVC plastic. It's a solid build. It also has this red element on the handle over here. On the handle, we have two buttons. There's a torch button. There's a torch, by the way. And there's a power button right over here. What else do we have? It's a nice ergonomic handle. It's super lightweight and compact as well. You can carry it easily anywhere. This particular part, this is where all this. So this is the part where you connect the nozzle or an extender like so. So I'll connect the nozzle over here to show it to you. There you go. You connect a nozzle like so. Also, this part is transparent, so you can remove it just by pressing this button. So this is the main unit of the vacuum cleaner. This is the one that houses the 100-watt suction machine. And of course, this is the dust container. Let me just take it out. This is where all the dust gets contained. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Eureka Forbes Car Vac 100-watt vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching.